traders, and you are welcome to another lesson. And in today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to trade a double top. Okay, it's a new strategy. I'll be teaching you how to trade a double top. I already have a video on how to trade double tops and double bottoms and some other chart patterns, but today I'll be teaching you another different strategy you can use in trading double tops. And you know, this strategy is 85% win rate, so you can always use this to trade double bottoms and double tops. Without wasting my time, let's dive right in. But before we dive in, if you are not part of my Telegram channel, click on the link below in the description and join the Telegram channel if you really want to learn my secrets that I use in trading. So let's dive in. Alright, so today we are on deriv, and this is deriv 4-hour volatility 250. So if you're someone who follows me for a long time, you should know that I don't only trade currency pairs, I also trade different assets on deriv like the boom and crash. Now, if you're not part of my deriv community, you can also click on the link in the description below and join our synthetics channel. And I can tell you, don't joke with this asset because it can make you a millionaire in few hours, few minutes in a day. So you can click on the link and join the channel. Now, when you look at this asset, you can see the price is moving in a downtrend because we are having a series of lower lows and lower highs, and in a downtrend it is possible that we will see things like double tops, and then especially double top. You see things like double tops, especially in a downtrend. That is, if price fails to break a previous high, then we can continuously see things like this in a downtrend. All right, so from here, let's see how to trade the double top. So we have our first top here. We have our first top here. We use this. We have our first top here, and then we also have our second top here. And here comes our neckline. So the first thing is you go for your rule. You measure from the neckline to the first top. This is our first top. You measure from the neckline to the first top. You pick your line again and drop it in the middle. This is the 50%. From our ruler, this is the 50%. So you put your line in between the 50%. So look at here clearly. We have the first top, the second top, the 50%, and the neckline. Now price has gotten into the second top here, so that is where we are going to look for an entry. Like I said on there, because we don't have a playback, I don't know how to do that, but because we don't have a playback, we are still going to look for an entry. If not, I would have just cut this side off and play back for you to see how this happened. So right from here, I just move to the 1 hour time frame and look for current support break. If it were to be a double bottom, I would look for a current resistance break. But since we are on a double top, what will I look for? I'll just look for my current support break. Okay, so when you look here, you can see this candle. This green candle is what mitigated the zone to form the second top. After that, we had a red candle. I am not going to do anything unless I see a red candle. Immediately I see a red candle, then we have a new support. So the second candle is what has caused the new support. Immediately I see the new support, I'll wait for that support to be broken for me to take an entry. So this is our new, let me change this, let me make it a green line. So this is our new support. Immediately that support breaks, then I'll look for my entry. Now if you see this red candle, you realize that this red candle is what has broken the new support and close below. So this is the red candle that has caused the new support and broke below. So what will I do? I'll just go for my short position to drop it here. This is the next candle that was formed after this one has broken the new support. So this is going to be our entry right here. Our take profit to be at the 50% level, and our stop loss a little above the previous high. So this is the previous high, so our stop loss will be a little above the previous high. So our take profit would now be on the first 50%. So you can see how price dropped nicely into the first 50%. Now what will I do? I'll wait for this 50% to also be broken. Immediately this 50% also breaks with a body, breaks the line with a body. Immediately a candle breaks this 50% with a body, I'll take my second entry. Now when you look here, you can also move further to the lower time frame to get whatever you are looking for, the break of the 50%. Now when you look here, you realize that this candle, this red candle, has broken the 50%, our initial 50%. So our second entry will start from here. Now when I mean the second entry, you can also take partial. I don't really like breaking even. I love taking partial, so I'll close part and leave the rest to run. Okay, that is what I love doing. So from here, wait for price to break, or a candle to break the 50%. Immediately candle breaks the 50% level, I am taking my second entry. So this is the candle that has broken below with a body, not this one. This one's above, this one has also closed above, and this one has closed below. So this is where I'm going to take my second entry. So you can see when I take my second entry here, my take profit would come to directly to the neckline. So this is the neckline. You can see my second take profit is directly to the neckline. Now when I get to the neckline, I can decide to exit or still continue taking my trade. But because I want to make more money, what will I do? I'll still wait for that neckline to break. I'll wait for a candle to break the neckline and close below. Okay, before that, I'll come back for my square or rectangle here, measure from the neckline to the downside. Okay, so what I'll do is when I measure, I'll now pick it and drop it here from the first leg. This is our first leg. Don't forget, this is our neckline. This is our first top. So I'll just drop the box here from the neckline to the first top. I'm taking exactly that measurement. I'm taking the exact measurement from the neckline to the top. You can see. So after I've taken that measurement, I'll just pick it and drop it from the neckline this way to this point. When I drop it there, I'll take my ruler again and measure the 50% of that box. So this is the 50% of the new box I have drawn from the neckline to the first top. When I finish, I'll take 50% of that same box again. So this is now our 50%. Look at what I'm trying to do here. Okay, this is now our 50%. After I've gotten the 50%, I'll wait for price to break this neckline before I take another entry. So I can move to the lower I can move back to any lower time frame and look for an entry. So this is me on the lower time frame. Now I am looking for a candle to break the neckline for me to take another entry. So like I said, for me to continue buying from the neckline, I'll wait for a candle break and closing below. So this candle has broke and closed below, but I will be waiting for this one. So we can still take our entry here or our entry here. So the next thing I'll do is to go for my short position to just drop it from the entry. Because this is the candle that has closed below, I'll take my entry from here, and then my stop loss will be a little above the previous high, and my take profit will be at the 50% of the square or of this box that I drew earlier. So my first take profit will now be here. Do you get it? My first take profit will now be at the 50% of the box that I drew from this leg to from the first top to the first leg of the neckline. So this will be my 50%. Now if I will continue buying again, if I'll continue selling again, then I'll have to wait for this 50% to also break. I hope you are getting it. So look at here, we have our TP hit here, first 50% to the neckline, TP hit to the second 50% TP hit. Now we are waiting for the next we are waiting for the take profit to be fully taken on this box. So what will I do? I'll still wait for price to break below. So when you look at this point, you realize that this candle has also broken. After taking my take profit, I'm not going to do anything. I just wait patiently for price to break this level again. Now when you look here, you realize that price has broken this level nicely with this candle. So we are going to continue taking our entry, and our take profit will now come to the last point here. So this is our last take profit. So when you look here, you realize that price got there and we had a reaction. So this will now be our last take profit. You can see immediately price got into our take profit. This works almost 85%. You can try this, go back test it on any double top or any double bottom and see how it works. So you can see that immediately price got into our last take profit, then we had a reversal to the upside. This is one of the secrets of trading double tops and double bottom. Like I said, you don't see this anywhere on YouTube, and it's not supposed to be free, but I thought it's for free because you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now if you are listening to me and you've not yet subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, hit on the thumbs up button, and also leave a comment below. It's your comments that will tell me, okay, whatever I'm teaching is working for you. So leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any topic you also want me to treat, leave it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.